Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to remove the rear door panel from this Audi A4 B8. So in order to remove the door panel, first we have to remove this plastic trim right here. In order to remove it, we need a tool like this or something similar, and right here underneath we have a little hole. You put it inside like this and you take it out. You see, so it come out really easily. Now we have here two screws, both are Torx T25. And in next step we have to remove this aluminum trim right here. Never start from this side, always start from this side right here. Now we remove this screw right here. It's again a Torx T25. And exactly here we have another T25 Torx, but I forget to film it. And the last screw is exactly here under the door panel. Now we have just to remove the clips. Clips are here all around. So start always from the bottom. Put your plastic removal tool underneath the door panel and push it out. After you take one out, you can simply do it with your finger. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.